So hey everyone, this is Karan here. You are welcome to Tech Karan YouTube channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you that what is this. Here you can see the WhatsApp. My WhatsApp is totally changed and you can see this update is trending nowadays. I will show you everything in this video, that how you can install this WhatsApp on your device and what are the extra things you get in this WhatsApp. So everything in this video, make sure you watch the video till the end. Let's get straight to the video now. Okay, so here first of all you can see the name here, Tech Karan YouTuber. I have already set my name here, and this one is the chat screen. When you swipe here, this is the status screen, this is the calls tab. These are the tabs. Now you can switch between tabs. These are the things you get here. First of all you can see the stories. I can see these stories like Instagram. Everything is looking great. When you click here, you will come out into my profile. Okay, when you go back, you can see this thing is actually not anything. This is just simply a look wise looking good. You can disable it in settings. Okay, so when you go to other things, you can see these things, the status, the last status of my contacts chats, and here you can see chats icon, and there is a status icon, there is a calls tab. These are the tabs I can switch in between. And here it is another simple thing. You can see this. I can create a custom contact. I can message someone without saving his or her number, which is a good thing. I can even call him or her by this tab. With the help of this tab, when I click here, I have the option of split video also. If I want to post a new video on my status text, write a status, or post a photo. So these are the features I get here. And something new here, when I go to chat, you can see this, my bombing. This is a good thing. You can see these features are available. Close, set text, bomb text, emoticon. Suppose I want to bomb something to something. Wait, let me show you. Okay, here when I click here, I can set the text to anything. Wait, let me set the text to something okay, this random, and I want to bomb him or his 20 times. Just click on save. Now just click on bomb text and you can see the message is sent 20 times. Yeah, 20 times. Absolutely great. This is a good feature in this. And you can see other things are there. When you go to settings, there is the option of theme also. You can change this to dark theme. Here you can see the theme is looking dark now. Yep, great looking. You can change the theme to transparent also if you want to. Wait, let me show you here. Now it looks transparent. Nice looking themes and properly working everything. Other options which you get in this WhatsApp is you can freeze your last scene, you can disable forward, who can call me, custom privacy, hide view status. Also there's option of anti-delete status, anti-delete messages, etc. Everything. First of all, sorry for the stability issue because I was not able to make a video. I thought I should upload a video, so I am trying my best. There is a WhatsApp lock available also. Change password, change pattern. You can go and try it out. Now let me show you other things. You have the option of themes. If you want to enable theme, you can download the themes from here and you can apply them on your WhatsApp. This is actually the modded WhatsApp, and I think you already used about GB WhatsApp. You know about GB WhatsApp, but this one is something different from GB WhatsApp. It has many other features also. Universal, we have these options in settings. If I show you all the settings, there will be a lot of time gone. So this is this type of WhatsApp. You can go and download. The link for this WhatsApp is in the description. Just uninstall the original WhatsApp and install this WhatsApp and install your chats, etc. And first of all, how to restore your chats. Wait.